News headlines. Odisha miner burn victim airlifted to AIIMS Delhi. DGP visits crime spot. 6 pilgrims were killed and nearly 20 injured in road accidents as the rush of Kamwarias significantly increased on Sunday on the Kamwar Yatra routes, especially the Delhi-Dehradun highway and the Ganga Canal road during the final leg of the pilgrimage. An 18-year-old Sikh devotee from Punjab died on Sunday after slipping into a deep ditch on a footpath near Hemkund Sahib Gurudwara in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, police said. The crime branch of the Odisha police, which is investigating the self-immolation death of a college student in Balasore, on Sunday said the 20-year-old woman had set herself on fire as her complaint of sexual harassment was not validated by an internal inquiry committee of the institute. Petrol pump dealers across Odisha will stop selling fuel in loose containers starting Monday, State Petroleum Dealers Association announced Sunday. Shashank Shekhar Sahu, president of the association, said petrol will now be dispensed only into vehicle tanks. Though this rule already exists, he admitted it has not been strictly followed at many stations. PM Modi to visit Britain, Maldives, boosting bilateral ties, inking India-UK FTA top focus. Indian cryptocurrency exchange CoinDCX hit by $44.2 million security breach. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Shri Amit Shah directs the formation of a multi-sectoral central team in view of the frequency and intensity of natural disasters in Himachal Pradesh. Odisha Vigilance raids DFO Nityanand Nayak's properties overda case. In versus Eng fourth test, Harbhajan Singh urges team to drop this player for Kuldeep Yadav. Union Minister Jitendra Singh asserts India's readiness to address global private sector apprehensions for investing in the civil nuclear sector, aiming for 100 gigawatts atomic power by 2047, with legislative amendments. India and the US concluded their fifth round of BTA talks in Washington, aiming for an interim deal before 1 August. Issues included agriculture, automobiles, and SCUMET, with India resisting US demands on dairy concessions. In Angul district, dengue scare hits Talcher again. FCI Munda Hutting, under Jagannathpur Panchayat in Talcher, has created panic after dengue patients were identified in their homes. It is said that the patients are suffering from dengue fever and are being treated at the Godiband Hospital, Central Hospital, Talcher Medical and District Headquarter Hospital in Angul district. After taking blood samples from them, they were found to be free from dengue. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe for more content like this.